Welcome to my PowerPoint presentation video. This presentation is a description and diagram of the cell and its organelles. A cell is the smallest living unit of an organism. It carries out all the basic functions of life. While there are 200 types of cells, there are trillions of them coursing through your body. Cells can consist of a variety of shapes, sizes, and functions. The most common shapes are squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Cells can transport, provide structure and support, produce energy, and help facilitate growth and mitosis, for example. Some cells can be specialized like sperm, meaning they have a very specific task to do. The primary components of a cell are the cell membrane, the cytoskeleton, and the cytoplasma. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is made of lipids and proteins. Its purpose is to find boundaries and protect cells, control interactions with other cells, and control the process of materials that enter in and out of the cell. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments and tubules in the cytoplasm, giving cells shape and consistency and providing internal support. The cytoplasm is a fluid within the cell that has fiber, tubules, passages, and compartments. The cytoplasm contains the cytoskeleton, organelles, and inclusions, which are stored cell products or foreign matter. Here is where centrioles can be found as well. Centrioles are microtubules that are found in pairs perpendicular to one another and are used in cell division. Cytosol is the gel that the cytoskeleton, organelles, and inclusions are encapsulated in. It is also known as intracellular fluid. Organelles are structures that perform various metabolic tasks for the cells, or, to put it another way, specialized structures within the cell that have a function. In this image, you can see each of the organelles of the cell: the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, the Golgi complex, lysosome, peroxisomes, proteasomes, mitochondria, and centrioles. Over the next few slides, please take a moment to look at each organelle. Notice their shape, sizes, and parts. Here we have the nucleus. The nucleus is the largest organelle and contains the cell's chromosomes, making it control center for the cellular activity. It contains DNA. Most cells have a single nucleus, but there are some, like the red blood cell, that do not have a nucleus, known as anuclear. The nucleus is surrounded by a bilayer membrane called the nuclear envelope, and the nuclear envelope have pores for RNA and proteins to pass through. The nucleus contains the nucleoplasm, which includes chromatin, a fine matter composed of proteins and DNA. At the nucleus center, we have the nucleolus, which helps create ribosomes. The nuclear pores shown allow for transport of materials through the nuclear envelope. Proteasomes also are located within the cytoplasm and the nucleus. They are involved in protein disposal. The endoplasmic reticulum. This is a system of interconnected channels that are called cisternae. These synthesize lipids and detox the body. It synthesizes, folds, and transports. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum that we will look at. The rough endoplasmic reticulum are covered in ribosomes, indicated by the dots. The cisternae are generally flattened and parallel. And then we have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Cisternae are more tubular and does not contain the ribosomes. And ribosomes, you can find them in cytosol, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and in the nuclear envelope. They bind and transfer RNA into protein, and depending on where they are found, depends on the type of protein they make. Peroxisomes, those are produced by the endoplasmic reticulum and resemble lysosomes. These enzymes are primarily in the kidney and liver, but can occur in all cells. They help detoxify cytosol and free radicals. The Golgi apparatus. The cisternae of the Golgi complex are few, flattened, and often curved with puffy edges. It receives synthesized proteins from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi vesicles transport materials. It also synthesizes carbohydrates. They release lysosomes. And lysosomes hold a variety of enzymes that are created in the Golgi complex. They digest certain bacteria, dispose of food, cells, and even other organelles. Finally, we have mitochondria. Most of us know this as the powerhouse of the cell, and it contains DNA. They specialize in the synthesis of ATP and come in a variety of shapes. They tend to be oval, but they are able to change shape and move around. They take nutrients from a cell, break it down, and turn it into energy. And energy is taken from organic compounds and turned into ATP. This completes my presentation on the description and diagram of the basic human cells and its organelles.